Hi everyone, and welcome back to Teaching Bee, where we do fun activities at home with our toddlers. Before we go ahead and get started, please hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up if you like it. Also, leave below a comment of anything you want to see on this channel as far as other activities or anything math related that you may have a question on a math problem. I'd love to help out. Today is going to be a very short, quick, fun activity that you can do over the weekend for Labor Day. So we always like to involve our kids, talk about Labor Day, what it means, maybe figure out some fun facts to tell them, and then do a project with them as well while we're doing it. So the activity we are working on for Labor Day is going to be making footprints with our toddlers, and the footprints are going to represent different labor that we use in every day-to-day that we are thankful for. So the ones that we are going to specifically work with today is going to be a fire truck, a police car, and a garbage truck. For the supplies, I'm just going to go ahead and list them down right here. Let's go ahead and get going and enjoy.